So today let's talk about money. I've been making videos about e-commerce and digital marketing for a while now. So it's only normal that I show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes. All right? What worked well, what didn't go well or according to plan, where would I improve? And maybe you as an e-commerce owner can also learn some things. During the 1st to the 31st of August, this particular store, right? Driving traffic to this particular store cost us $74.25, right? Approximately about 132,000 naira for the month. When you do the math, that is 4,250 naira per day, right? This was across, I think, 3 to 4 different campaigns. One was a retargeting campaign, one was cold traffic, and then the other two were like tests, just testing out things. They didn't work so well, so we killed it, that kind of thing. So now you know how much we spent on ads, all right? I also want to let you understand that this particular store is very low maintenance, very low management. What that means is we don't put a lot of effort into the day-to-day of running this particular store. It can be better. So from the store itself, we made 1,650,350 naira. Okay? From WhatsApp conversations and WhatsApp sales, we made an additional 291,500 naira. So that means the total that we made for the month of August was actually 1,941,000 and I think 800 naira or thereabouts. So now let's look at what worked well and what didn't work well. That way, I know how to improve the business going into September, October, and the rest of the year. And the same way, you can also learn from my mistakes. That's the whole point of this channel. I want to be as transparent as open as possible. That was a tongue twister. And as open as possible so that, the things that I talk about, I would actually show you how I use it in my own businesses and how you can implement it in your own businesses. So now let me start with what did not work well. Have you seen that conversion rate? That is rubbish. That is nonsense. That is terrible. That is bad. That is woeful. That is embarrassing. But honestly, I feel that's a bit common in Nigeria. Somebody will click the ad and go to the website and read everything and then take a screenshot and send it to you on WhatsApp and ask you every single question that has been answered on your sales page. Another thing that also damages a lot of sales opportunities for at least this particular business is payment on delivery. Do you do payment on delivery? Do you do pay small? Can I pay half and pay the complete remaining when you deliver? What have I not heard? And this business does not do payment on delivery. And none of my businesses do payment on delivery. And the reason why is the same way Nigerian businesses have shown customers shaggy. Honestly, I feel customers have shown me more shaggy. I've been doing this for 5-6 years now. And no. I have too many stories. I'm not a huge fan of payment on delivery, but if you can offer it in your business and you can make sure you have security checks in each step of the way, go for it. That's what Nigerians understand. Another thing that you might have noticed is the number of orders. So in the entire month of August, we only sold 17 times. Guys, 17 times. Oh yes, we almost made 2 million naira in sales, but still, just 17 times. What that means is we probably made one sale every 2 days, which is terrible. You should be making 5 sales minimum a day or 10. What am I saying? If you're a small business or a solopreneur, you should be making 5 to 10 sales a day. But look at me that I'm preaching this gospel. I made one every 2 days. I think towards the end of the month, we had like multiple other days. But that's not good. That's not good. Now let's look at what worked well. So at least we can clap for ourselves. The first thing is look at that average order value. This particular store has a typical average order value of I think about 23 to 27,000 naira, right, for the year. And in the month of August, we more than triple that, because again 90,000 naira in average order value. 27 times 3 is not is less than 90k. Yes. So we more than triple the average order value. And the only way you want to do that, or well, not the only way, but the best way to do that is when you do, spend and save, bundles, multi-packs, multi-buys, all those kind of amazing things, right? That's how you increase the average order value. Again, that would also be an issue as to why the conversion rate was a bit low, because people had to spend a lot of money. Okay, so as I said, the conversion rate is bad. Let me not try and sugarcoat it, but it's not the end of the world. There are ways where you see a poor conversion rate, but you will still be able to get a lot of sales, right? Good. So that's number one. Number two, when you look at the returning customer rate, it is 62%. One thing I told you at the beginning of this video is when we were running ads, we had one particular ad that was just for retargeting. So it was retargeting people that had patronized from us at least a certain number of times. So those people were already ready to purchase once we hit them up with our ads. Now, when it comes to your e-commerce business, there are primarily 3 ways for you to increase your sales revenue, right? Number one is traffic. Now, with traffic, you can look at paid ads, you can look at social media postings, tagging, get the ManyChat app, get people to send a DM, all those amazing things, right? That's number one. Number two is average order value. I think I showed you a very good example in this video, how we increased average order value and made more sales, made more money. Maybe not more sales, but we made more money. And the last one is by improving your conversion rate. Improving your conversion rate is honestly probably the hardest, but it's also the most important. The best way to do this: testimonials, social proof, removing risk, adding delivery guarantees. These are the kind of things that you can do, okay, to improve your business. And if you're interested in learning more about this, just watch this particular video that's going to pop up on your screen.